Our skilled team of experts are here to restore your floor to its former glory. Our process is simple and transformative. We start by carefully sanding away the old, revealing the raw beauty beneath. Then we repair any damage, ensuring a smooth and flawless surface. Next, we apply a protective finish, sealing in the beauty and longevity of your floor. But it's not just about the technicalities, it's about the artistry. We can dye your floor to match your desired colour or simply enhance its natural beauty. The result is a stunning floor that's both functional and aesthetically pleasing. So whether you're looking to restore a classic floor or revitalise a modern one, you can trust Johnson's Flooring. We're committed to delivering exceptional results every time. Experience the Johnson's Flooring difference. Contact us today for a free quote.